Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to view the recordings, audio recordings in your Xiaomi Mijia Smart audio glasses. So as I can see here, I do have got the application called Xiaomi Glasses. If you want to know how to set up this application with your device, check our channel. Once you see this, go open recording section and tap got it. Here, as you can see, we do have record calls. No active calls, record device audio, not playing audio, and leave recording. Let me tap it. And wait a moment. Now let me record something. It's live recording, of course, so it will be like it. Here. Okay. And now, once you are here in the recordings, tap this icon in the top right corner. Here, you do have glasses storage. No recordings here yet, and phone storage. And if I tap this, I can play my recording. It will be, it's playing. Here, as I can still have the subtitles that it works, but I do hear this audio near my ears, so it works. Goodbye.